Hi, thank you for your interest in Humber College. My name is Mark Paddison. I'm the coordinator of the Industrial Woodworking Technician Program and of the Cabinet Making Certificate Program. Both these one-year programs are designed to train students for entry into an industry. The purpose of this video is to give you a little bit more information about the programs and to take you for a tour of our facility here at Humber. We have a 10,000 square foot lab. In this portion of the lab, each student is assigned a bench and they'll work at that bench for the complete year. During the course of the 3 semesters, the students are taught a range of technologies. For instance, they learn to cut a dovetail by hand in first semester, and by third semester they're using a CNC machine to cut dovetails. We take student safety very seriously here at Humber. We've invested in a saw stop technology for all our small table saws, which allows students to train without the fear of injury. Our lab is equipped with the most common light industrial woodworking equipment. Amongst the machines in the lab, the students are introduced to shaper technology and the manufacture of short runs of molding and pieces for furniture. Students complete a series of exercises on the traditional wood lathe and then very quickly move on to the CNC lathe to turn parts for their furniture projects. The program consists of a series of deadlines. So for instance, this is a construction deadline for a small table. The students will now take these tables, stain them, and spray them in the spray booth. Students are introduced to CNC technology in first semester and then concentrate on our 3 CNC routers in third semester. Students are introduced to finishing, including the staining of their projects and the cold spraying of lacquer. While in the program, the students complete many small exercises. So we'll introduce techniques in theory, and then we'll practice them doing these exercises, and then the students will put the exercises into practice building small projects. Students are introduced to veneering in first semester, and throughout the program have use of a hot press for flat panels and vacuum presses for curved panels. In first semester, students learn drafting by copying shop drawings provided to them. In second semester, they move on to AutoCAD, which is then used in third semester to program the CNC equipment. Students are introduced to building kitchens by working on a small exercise which includes 3 drawers and 2 doors, and later in the program they're introduced to solid surface material for countertops. During your 1 year at Humber, you'll spend more time in the lab, hands-on the machines, than in any other program. Thank you for coming along on this tour with me. For more information, visit the humber.ca website.